Hello friends, in this Java course we will use Visual Studio Code as our code editor. So now let me show you how to download and install it. First we go to the Google and type Visual Studio Code, and then we click official website from the search results. So I'm using Windows, I will download the version of Windows. I click it. So I say download for Windows. So download starts here. Wait for it to finish. After that, click on the file to begin the installation. I click it. Select I accept the agreement and click next. I accept the agreement, click next. If you want to create a desktop icon, click here. I click and then I say next. I already installed Visual Studio Code, that's why I will not install it, but you will follow these steps. So you type install. Okay, I cancel it. You will install it. You will go to the at the end. So I need Java extension for Visual Studio Code. So I come here. How I can come here? You see in the docs, I have Java option. And then I say getting started. You see install the coding pack for Java for Windows and macOS. So I'm using Windows. That's why I click this install button. Okay. Just wait for the Java coding pack to be installed. Just wait it. I click it and then I'm waiting. You will say next, click the next button and you will install it. I already installed it. That's why I will not install. You click install button. Okay. So let's open a Java project. In this course, we will have many exercises and examples. It's around 250 and 300 files. So there are different ways to run Java programs. So let me show these methods. I come here, I'm in the desktop. I right click and then new folder. I open new folder. I can say test. Okay, so I'm inside the folder and then I right click. And I say show more option. I say open with code. Okay. Here I say new file. So I say new Java project. I choose no build tools. Okay. I need to choose the folder. So I choose test folder. Select the project location. Okay. So now I need to give a name to my project. I can say test. Okay. Inside the test folder, I created test project. As you see, there are lots of files. So I have library and then I have sources. Inside my sources, I have app.java. This code comes automatically. How can I run it? I come here and I say I run code. As you see in my terminal, hello world, just wait, hello world appears. Super. This is my first method. But as I told you, we will do many exercises in this course. It's around 250 exercises. So that's why I will use another method. I will show you in the next lesson.